How to disable emergency alerts on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to stop getting emergency alerts on your Android device like Amber Alerts, earthquake warnings, and severe weather notification, here is a quick guide to turn them off. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And here, once you have opened the settings, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as safety and emergency. And here, once you see the interface like this, simply tap on wireless emergency alerts. And here you will see a few options. From there, you can simply toggle off allow alerts at the top to disable all the alerts. And you can individually disable alerts from extreme threats, severe threats, amber threats, and others. But these are optional, so customize them based on what you prefer. And while you are here, you can also go back and check on earthquake alerts. And here, once you are inside the earthquake alerts, this feature detects nearby seismic activity and notify you. So if you rather not get this, just switch it off. But remember, it only triggers if you are in danger. And that's it. Super easy, right? With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.